and subscribe to Mr. X. So I need to tell you, it's not M-I-S-T-E-R. It's M-R space X space L-I-F-E space I-N space E-N-G space I-N space E-N-G-L-A-N-D. So it's Mr. X Life in England. You got space with it. It's not all one word. Okay? So you will find me on YouTube. I'm also on Instagram with the same name, Mr. X Life in England. You can find me on YouTube and Instagram. But I'm more interested in YouTube. I don't really pay attention to my Instagram account that much, but I still use it. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. X Life in England, and also share with your friends and your family, and remember to also hit the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as there is new content that have been uploaded, so you can see where I've been or where I'm at in England. So today is the 26th of June 2025. I came to Sheffield only to find out that Sheffield is in Yorkshire. So we are in Sheffield, we are in Yorkshire, and if you want Yorkshire pudding, that's where you come and get the recipe, in Yorkshire. And Yorkshire Ripper, I don't know, anyway, probably dead already, I don't know. I only hear about that in stories. Windy in Sheffield today. You can imagine when I was coming up the M1. Oh my goodness. If you're not a good bus driver, the breeze is gonna blow you off the road. I tell you. Because we were out in open space, my bus was blowing. My bus was blowing, man. It's a good thing I'm a professional driver with years of experience who know how to hold the bus on the road. Some people would get panic and want to park the bus. Fear of driving because of the wind. So yeah, I'm in a square here in Yorkshire. As you see the pole up there to have a crown on it. We have time, yeah. We have time, we'll walk, go up there and see the crown. So we're in a square, look. Spin around. Are we in a circle square? It can't be a circle square. But it's called a square. Yes, so this is what we are going to do. Walk up to that that one. See the crown on top of the pole? Yeah. That's when them behead. Remember the king when you're Mr. Brown? Yeah. And chop off him head and take him crown put up on the top there. Yeah man, Mr. Brown. He was from 101. Yeah? Forgot to 101 how much him live to. For them, when them chop off him head. Nothing don't go like that. Okay. So we're at a water fountain here. Infinity water fountain. So this is an infinity water fountain here in that part of the square here. Hi, how you doing, man?
How are you?
I'm doing great, man. This is where Yorkshire pudding come from, isn't it?
Yes.
Yorkshire.
Yeah.
I'm not from here, man. I just drive my bus up here, drive the coach up here.
Yeah,
so
coach.
yeah, it's the first time I've been here, but I came to Sheffield, but I'll find out that I'm now in Yorkshire too.
Yeah. South Yorkshire.
South Yorkshire. Yeah. So this is also where the Yorkshire. It's fine. So far, it's fine.
You like it?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber, so
Okay.
it's going to be on my YouTube channel too as well.
It's always sunny like this.
Is it?
365 days a year.
It's always sunny like this.
Now listen to this. Where have you been so far?
I've been from the train station, go all the way around that side,
Nice.
where the castle used to be.
Cathedral.
The castle.
Oh, the castle. Oh, right.
Yeah, where they repair, they're doing some excavation or something around there. Yeah, I've been around that side and go around and come around, and I just reached here, but it's almost 3 o'clock. I need to go start board my passenger to get back to London.
You'll have to get a Yorkshire pudding while you're there.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Yorkshire Ripper.
He's long gone, mate.
He's long gone.
Yeah, long gone.
Oh,
He wasn't welcome here.
he wasn't welcome.
We chased him out.
Okay, that's great, man.
But anyway, take it easy.
Yeah, man.
Safe
You
drive.
too, man. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. All right. So these are the city centre ambassadors. These men, they walk around Sheffield City Council. They walk around and make sure you're all right here. So, yes. So this is the pole that I'm talking about here. I don't know if it's a monument or something. So let's look. It is a war monument. And it is not Mr. Brown crown up there. It is a war monument. Don't listen to me about Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, there's no Mr. Brown who was a king. So, Sergeant John Rains, Royal Field Artillery, 12th of October 1915. Right? So this memorial is to Sergeant John Rains and his platoon. These other soldiers up there. And there's the crown, the golden crown up at the top. Yeah? Doesn't belong to Mr. Brown, like I said. So these are all the poppies and stuff. And this one is for Captain William Allen, September 1916. Okay, so this is what this memorial is. Up to all of them. You got one more year name. Private Arnold Loosemore, Duke of Wellington, West Riding Regiment, 11th August 1917. You hear him? Private Arnold Loosemore. Tell you. Loosemore, Private Loosemore. Okay, yeah, so this is what it says. 1914, 1918. this way here. There's people taking pictures of the infinity pool, infinity waterfall. Okay, so we're gonna go